This iPhone might be mini, but the significance of this video is not. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BMAC. And if this is your first time here to this channel, welcome, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So yes, indeed, in my hands, I have the brand new iPhone 13 Small Mini. I like to call it the iPhone 13 Small, but it is the iPhone 13 Mini in the midnight color. I don't know what it is about the midnight color, but it gets me hyped, probably because it is the closest thing we get to a matte black color, so hyped. But per usual, new Apple product, gotta unbox it. So that is exactly what we're gonna do. Let us unbox the iPhone 13 Mini. Quick look at the box, the iPhone 13 Mini in the midnight color. This is the back of the iPhone 13 Mini, and you probably can't tell this by looking at the video, but the actual back here is slightly embossed. It's raised a little bit off of the box itself, plus the little cameras are as well. So a nice little subtlety there. But on the right side, iPhone. On the left side, iPhone. Apple logo on the top, Apple logo on the bottom, and we have some more model information and serial number information on the back, but you don't care about that. I know, you care about what's in the box, so let's see what's in the box. The actual unboxing of the iPhone 13 Mini. iPhone 13 Mini, oh, this color. Without even taking it out of the box, I am in love with this color of the iPhone 13 Mini. I really do wish we had the iPhone 13 Pro in this color. Don't get me wrong, I'm pretty hyped about the iPhone 13 Pro Sierra blue color, but this one just, it flutters in my heart when I see this color. But before we get ahead of ourselves here, let us remove the Mini, put it off to the side. Okay, calm down. Also in the box, you will see a little packet of information here, designed by Apple in California. But inside this packet of information, if we remove it, you will first see your SIM card ejection tool. You could use this to actually, well, I don't know why I felt the need to explain this, but you could use this to eject your SIM card. Also here, you will notice your little safety and handling information packet right here. You could read through that if you want to. And last but not least, of course, your beloved Apple sticker. And that is it for the packet of information. Also, you will see you do have included a USB-C to Lightning cable. If we unravel this, you will see a 3-foot USB-C to Lightning cable. And that is it. That's all that comes in the box. Pretty simple, but now time for a closer look at the iPhone 13 Mini itself. It is so pretty. These matte black sides, man. Oh, the more that I'm looking at this color combination, the more I wish we had the iPhone 13 Pro Max in this color. I don't know why Apple doesn't do it. This is unbelievably sexy. So sexy, I might actually have to think about using the iPhone 13 Mini as my daily driver if it's gonna look this sexy consistently, which it will. Look at the way she glistens in the light. Oh, and then those sides, man. Oh my goodness. We haven't even taken off the cellophane yet, and I'm in love. But let's do just that. Let's remove the cellophane from the iPhone 13 Mini. Very important moment here. Hello, so cute. Oh, iPhone 13 Mini lives up to the name, and it's light, my goodness, compared to the behemoth of a phone I'm used to with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This thing is like a feather, but this is the iPhone 13 Mini. This color combination, I especially love the contrast between the camera housing here, that matte finish with this glossy finish right there. Oh, so amazing. And then the matte sides. I really, really do like this color of the iPhone 13 Mini. I also love the size. Don't get me wrong, having a Max size phone has its perks, has its benefits, but there's also a lot of perks and benefits of having a mini phone as well. But let's turn on the iPhone 13 Mini for the first time. The Apple logo. Hello. It's like you guys can't hear it, but I hear angelic choirs of angels. Angelic choirs of angels, wouldn't that just be angels? I hear angelic choirs saying, oh, Let us swipe up. Okay. Look at that little mini display. Oh, the iPhone Scoot. Okay, here's the deal. I know you don't want to watch me do the whole setup process, so I'm gonna snap my fingers. It's going to be done. It's set up. The iPhone 13 mini being turned on and set up for the first time. This is this right here, just being able to reach the top of the screen without having to do some crazy kind of awkward one of these things, I missed that. Just for comparison purposes here, look at the size difference between the mini and the Max. Oh my goodness. But there is something special about having all the power that we get packed into the iPhone 13 in such a mini package. So I'm super excited to be trying out the cameras, trying out the phone in general, seeing if the mini size actually comes in handy for my day-to-day activities. So I've got a lot to do. I've got my work cut out for me. But do not forget to subscribe to this channel so when I have my additional content on the iPhone 13 mini dropping, you won't miss it. We gotta do some camera comparisons, some performance tests. Whew, we got so much to do. But per usual, if you guys are interested in finding out more about the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 mini, you guys could always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/iPhone 13, bmac.link/iPhone 13, or as always, there will be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so be sure to check that out. But with that having been said, I'm gonna go walk around town with an iPhone 13 mini in my pocket. You can't even tell. Okay, it sticks up ever so slightly, so maybe. But I will see you guys in my next video. See, I love this. iPhone 13 mini in the pocket. All I gotta do is take it out, camera, photo, boop, done, put it away. They should call it iPhone 13 Pocket. I gotta stop this. iPhone 13 Small, iPhone 13 Pocket. It is the iPhone 13 mini. The name makes sense.